Welcome to my channel, Ideas Go TV. Please don't forget to subscribe. Enjoy watching. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening sa inyong lahat mga people. So ngayon nandito po tayo sa may Almira, dito po sa may Mansura. Bibili po tayo ng fresh na tilapia. Ayan po, nilagay po nila sa may aquarium. Thank you for watching mga people. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. God bless everyone. Until the next video.